In this case, we need to multiply these two divisions and simplify to the minimum expression. Let's start with the numerator. You observe this is a multiplication of fractions, so this means that the numerator should be multiplied, or the first fraction should be multiplied by the numerator of the second fraction, and the denominator of the first division should be multiplied by the denominator of the second division. So we will start with the numerators. 15 by 9. Instead of writing the result, I will just write the numbers here. 15 by 9, right? And then we have x, y, and z square. X, y, and the z square, okay? In the denominator, we have the 27 and the 45. And we have x, y square, and z linear. Let's write the numbers as factors. The 15, it could be written like 3 by 5, right? And the 9 could be written, for example, like 3 by 3. And then we have the variables x, y, and z square. And the denominator, we have the 27, that could be 3 by 3 by 3. This is 27. And the 45, that could be written like 3 by 3, 9, 9 by 5, right? This will be 45. And then we have x, y square, and z. As everything is factor in the numerator and in the denominator, we can just eliminate two coefficients that are the same. For example, 3 and 3 could go away because this division will give you 1. This other 3 with this other 3 can also go away. This 3 with this 3 as well. And this 5 with this 5 as well. X, y, and z squared, right? Because all the numbers, all of them go away. Divided by, in this case, we still have two numbers here multiplying each other. 3 by 3, that is 9. And we have x, y squared, and z. The x's, what we need to do here is to do exactly the same what we did with the numbers, but in this way. We have the x's here. They are affecting just to the x's, the y's with the y's, and the z's with the z's, okay? Right, in the denominator, and then we have an x and an x here. You can choose to eliminate it, or we can also say that it is x power 1, the one in the denominator, divided, or divided by another x. This is subtracting the power of the variable in the denominator, that is power 1. We have the y, that is power 1, and in the denominator we have a power 2, so I will subtract the number 2 here. And the z will do exactly the same, is power 2, and we have a power 1 in the denominator, so we subtract the number 1. So the result will be x power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, of course, is 0. Y power 1 minus 2, this will be power minus 1. And z, that is power 2 minus 1, that is 1. And all this is divided by 9. Every number except 0 is 1, always. Why? Because we have, for example, 9 divided by 9 is 1, or 3 divided by 3 is 1. So every number here that is power at 0 will be 1. Then we have the y power minus 1. When you have a power that is negative, this will go to the denominator. In this case, we have the 9 here, and then we will have the y. And y is power 1, as it's written here, right? We changed the negative sign because now we have moved it to the denominator. And then we have a z power 1. We put it z power 1. This will be the result, but we normally don't write the number ones in the multiplying variables or the powers 1. So this means that I will just remove this 1. I will just leave the z, and the power 1, we normally don't write it. We assume that is power 1 when we don't write the power. And the denominator will be 9y. And this will be the result.